Well, chicas, this is just going to be a little short video, just what I want you to try over the weekend. Okay, I want you to try two little things over the weekend. First thing I want you to try is at the bottom of Página 80, down on page 81, okay, I'm going to send you out this listening track. It's about La Familia de Nuria, Nuria's family, and I just want you to listen to the track and answer the questions. Okay, so what does she look like? She's going to say soy, whatever. So where does she live? She's going to Bibo in, soy, whatever. She's going to chat about her personalidad, so it might be simpático or antipático or all those, okay? She's probably going to say then I, whatever, in mi familia, so you're listening out for a number. How does she describe, como se describe su madre? How does she describe her mum? What's the, what's the name and age of her hermanas? And then she's going to chat about her mascot. So that's the first thing I want you to do. That's page 81. The second thing I want you to do, I just going to skip ahead, is we had a look through this comprehension here, okay? The Sergio comprehension, we went through some of the adjectives, okay, on Sergio, the letter that Jean wrote to Sergio, okay? I want you to try the first 5 questions, okay? I want you to try the first 5 questions, okay? So what does Jean look like? How does she describe her personality? Where does she live? Who does she live with? And then these ones you're describing how does she describe her padre, su madre, and her hermano. Okay, so there you what I want you to do. Okay, so you're doing those 5 questions on this letter here on Jean. Is that okay, chicas? So it's página 81, page 81, the blue box, the listen on Nuria, and the 5 questions on this letter here. Okay, we'll do live class on Monday. So hablamos lunes. We'll talk on Monday.